I love a girl who dreams big. Miss Philippines bought a house when she was 22 years old. She never had a house.
Croatia! And the final place in the top 10 goes to Philippines!
Congratulations! Give it up for the top 10 finalists who are one round closer to the Diamond Nexus crown. Philippines.
For me, being here is a battle of a lifetime. Filipinos really love Miss Universe and they're like hoping, anticipating, and very into it. So if I win, it's like I gave the Filipinos hope and happiness and a Christmas gift this coming December 25.
Philippines!
Okay, my favorite part about Miss Philippines here is how she started with the dress, just fanned out, and a cute pony, so her
There are now only 4 places left. One of them belongs to Philippines!
Let's have Philippines. Please join us and select a card. Hello, Philippines. See who you picked. Philippines, you picked. It's a Twitter question from judge number 4, Nigel Barker. Nigel Barker, what's your question?
Hi there. Listen, as an international ambassador, do you believe that speaking English should be a prerequisite to being Miss Universe? Why or why not?
For me, being Miss Universe is not just about knowing how to speak a specific language. It's being able to influence and inspire other people. So whatever language you have, as long as your heart is to serve and you have a strong mind to show to people, then you can be Miss Universe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Philippines.
Basit a lalaki, nigayam ko nga ali, ngem dakkel, ti panagpuspuso na. Basit a lalaki, nigayam ko nga ali, ngem natangken, ti pakinagam na. Agtawenen, day ti 29, ngem kaslapalan 17. Basit a lalaki, nigayam ko nga ali, ngem iti kama napigsa urok na. Basit a lalaki, nigayam ko nga ali, matidog, ti pasensya na. Iti na minsan, amapan ko magbuya, ti pelikula, na bainan ni Suna, tako na ti kahera. For adults only, ayubing kapay adi. Ako makariri, no kayat mo hin kahit ti sabali, saan na sexy movie. basit a lalaki ni gayam ko nga ali iso nga duda matikaw kenkwana basit a lalaki ni gayam ko nga ali tay mala kaday di apong na iti na minsan amapan ko magbuya ti pelikula na bainan ni Suna tako na ti kaera for adults only hayubing kapay adi sorry di na ko makariri no kayat